Hi, grade two. So now that you've discovered and experimented a little bit with the hundreds chart, today you're going to be working a little bit more um, with the patterns that exist in the hundreds chart, and then you can see the way the numbers relate to each other and how they're the same and different and all those kinds of fun things. So first, we're going to look at this pattern poster. Will really help us. I'm just going to make it a bit smaller so we can see it. So here, say we have a number in the middle. Okay. So to the left of the number is one less. So let's say I have a 8 here. One less would be 7. One more is to the right of the number in the chart. 10 more is right below it, and 10 less is above it. That is the pattern for every single number in the hundreds chart. We do this every day in calendar, so it should be familiar to you. So let's try and fill in the missing numbers in these patterns. Or in these numbers. So here's 24. If I go this way, it's going to be one less. So I need help from my hundreds chart. So I'm going to find 24. Here's 24. One less is to the left, 23. So I'm going to fill that in, 23. There we go. Okay, now one more. Remember that pattern? It goes to the right. So 1 to the right is 25. Oops, that's the wrong page. 25. Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to do 10 less. So here's 24. 10 less is 14. So remember, if you need help and you need to use a hundreds chart to help you through this, you can always click on the interactive hundreds chart that I posted on the slide. It's a new one from yesterday, so it should work pretty good. Anyways, oops, back to this. 10 more is 1 below is 34. Good job, grade twos. So that's how you use the hundreds chart pattern to fill in the missing numbers on these charts. All right, 57. That's a big number. This is also called a two-digit number because it has one digit in the ones place and one digit in the hundreds place. A two-digit number. All right, let's look at 457. I'm going to use a different color. Here's 57 right there. So we're going to use the same pattern. What's one less? 56. You got it. And what's one more than 57? See if we can do it without the 100 chart to help. You've got it. 58. Good job, grade twos. All right. Now we're going to do 10 less and 10 more. So 10 less than 57. Does anybody know? You got it. It's 47. I just had to look at my hundreds chart to make sure I was on the right track. So I use that as a tool to help me learn. I didn't it, I didn't use it to cheat. I just used it to help me learn. Good job. We all need different tools to learn. All right, next up we have 10 more than 57. So that's 67. There we go. See how I use my tool again to help? Good job. Let's do one more together, and then you're going to go on and do some practice by yourself. All right. What number did I say? 89. Oh, actually, there's another one I want to do with you. Never mind. Oops. 89. So again, I'm going to go find 89 on my chart, circle it up. If you're using that interactive one, you can just click it. Super easy. So one less is 88. You got it. One more is 90. Good job. 10 less. Anybody know? Let's look at the chart. 10 less is 79. You got it. And 10 more is 99. You got it. You guys are so good at math. Wow. I love the hundreds chart. It helps me so much. All right. Now, this is a little bit more of a challenge. It doesn't give us the number in the middle. Isn't that so crazy? Do you think we can still do it? I think so. All right, 59. So that means what would be 10 less than 59? Because we're going backwards one. 49. You got it. Good. I keep Clicking the wrong tab. 49. So that would be our number in the middle. So what's 10 less than 49? 39. Awesome. So one less than 49? 48. And one more than 49 is 50. Good job. I thought that would be tough for you, but you got it. Good job. Okay, let's do another one. They only give us 13. So remember this in the pattern for the hundreds chart? This is always one less than the number in the middle. So we got 14. Then we got 15. You got it. So the one above here, what's 10 less than 14? Let's find 14 right here. Is 4. You got it. You guys really know how to use a hundreds chart. And what is 10 more than 14? 24. Awesome. Okay, let's do one last one and then it's your turn to practice. All right. Let's use black. All right. 77. So I'm going to find 77 on my chart and I'm going to find the one right above it. Our number is 67. Good job. Okay. So 10 less than 67 is 57. Good job. Okay. One less than 67, 66. You got it. And one more than 67 is 68. Awesome. All right. So now you're going to have the chance to practice these kinds of questions. And then remember to take a picture when you're all finished and submit it on the slide. There's also a challenge if you're up for it. Can't wait to see all the great things you can do, oops, with the hundreds chart.